Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix a no option for Intel HD graphics control panel from right click on desktop. Let's fix it guys. Method 1, you just need to go to search menu and type device manager, click on open it. Expand the display adapters section and right click on where Intel HD graphics and select update drivers, select browse my computer for drivers, select let me pick from the list of available drivers. In here, you just need to select the latest driver. As you can see, in my case, 18.3.2025. This is the latest one. And select the next option and install it. After getting installed done, you can check if the problem solved or not. If not, method 2, you just need to go to search menu in Google Chrome and search Intel Support Assistant. Select the first link and download the Intel Support Assistant over here. After getting download done, click on it and install it. Select the install option and install it. After getting installed done, select the launch option. And now this page will open up guys after launching this application. You just need to select the download all option. This will give you all the available updates for your drivers. Select the download all option and it will start downloading. You just need to wait for this to get done. After getting this update done, select the install option to install it. Select the begin installation, select I agree and select start. After getting installed done, select the reboot option and restart your PC. After restarting, you can able to see the Intel HD graphics control panel from right click on the desktop. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.